This video demonstrates how to use the equation tool for SBAC testing. We'll use this sample equation to get comfortable with the equation editor. Use the on-screen buttons or your keyboard for numbers and symbols. To add a fraction, click the fraction button. Navigate within your expression using the direction buttons or the arrow keys on your keyboard. To enter a parentheses expression, use the parentheses button. The exponent button allows you to enter exponent or power expressions. Use the square root button to enter a radical expression. You now know how to use the equation tool for SBAC testing.